diaper land. Grab your seat and take a stand. Big kids use the potty now. You can do it, here's how. Wiggle to the restroom door. Pull your pants down, hit the floor. Sit on your little throne. Feel so proud you're not alone. Pee pee poo poo in the bowl. Cheer and hear the toilet roll. Flush it down, wave goodbye. You're a potty champ, oh my. After done, just hop off seat. Pull your pants up nice and neat. Wash your hands with lots of soap. Now you're ready, that's the hope. Mommy, daddy, cheer and clap. You did it, here's a high five slap. Every try gets you a